You are going to love the 2021 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.